Pidgin program. And for the Pidgin program, we broke Tori then they plenty we go broke am for una countryman, countrywoman. Either we blow am or we broke am. Countryman, countrywoman. Something happened yesterday for that side for Yaounde, for that place where they call say Avenue Kennedy. Wetin happen? Some taximan, he don't buy that thing they call say bon de carburant. That means say that paper way they sell am for you. You go for petrol station, you give them, they put petrol, you cut them, give them. So when they be na 5,000, 2,000, 30,000, all depends. So that people where they took man for you, they be there for Avenue Kennedy. You just see them. I will don't go buy a funge. They tell you say that bon de carburant, no na correct one them. That vouchers, they no na correct one. A vekes, he say okay, they will go see them, we go confront them. Now yesterday he drive, he there for Avenue Kennedy for that side for Yaounde. Bam, he see the guy them. He come up for a taxi park. He go confront the guy then. Say now una send me that fake bon de carburant. Una send me that fake bon de carburant. Una mo give my money back. That boy them, you know far from that Catholic church, they just move some white powder wey dey for inside their bag. They pour am for that boy's skin, for that taximan skin. 1, 2, 3, 5 seconds after that taximan just fall down. As he fall for this, so he die. That means say that powder be na poison. Now so the poison then they run. As I tell una countryman, medical kill them, they never catch the people them again. They never catch the people where they do that bad thing. Now wait till they happen so for that side. So all man don't be so the thing don't pass people. And man they open him up. That means say people they feel the waka with poison so. They say fake bon de carburant for go take funge for petrol station. And then when you want to take time, they send me the bag you money, say they send a wrong one. They tell you say what it is, tell they go kill you. They throw powder for your skin. Now give them that poison powder. When if you try for my skin, the man just koraso. Yesterday I tell you about some young girl they call it say Oscarine. For that side for Logbesu. When you took come out walk, for 9 p.m. As he come back, some man confront you. The man tell you say this so for France. Pourquoi tu déranges les gens dans les quartiers comme ça? Il tell the man say, I don't worry people for quarter where I just come na come. I don't know me no man for the quarter. I come for monitor, I go me work, I come back na for evening time. So truly, I don't worry me no man. Countryman, na so that man change talk na. Il tell you say this so non. Je voulais que les mangements que je me les fins de moi, les fins est parti pour le mois. Et si je me donner la nourriture, je vais me manger la nourriture. As he talk that strong French, no be that picking that Oscarine say na tutu say the hungry. He turn say okay, chop day we are go look for the chop day I will give you. Countryman, countrywoman. Now so that man pour acid for his skin. So now what did it happen? Now the question we will ask him. Now what did it really happen where this last time so people don't only want to give Quara other one them. Quara, you researching for man, the thing no correct. The man can tell you say no, give my money back. You poison it, you throw powder for his skin, make Quara. The thing don't pass my power. It don't pass my power. Even I don't know what una two na the year we so for the morning time or the afternoon or for the evening when I go. It depend the time when I go hear the program. I don't know what that thing to don't pass on because the thing don't pass my power. And if you understand, there is just keep people that say na some simple thing say you want to do I will kill you, I will do this and that. You don't know me, you don't know me, all that kind of thing then. Now end time, na question where will the ask some countryman, a countrywoman. The thing where I will talk them again. We go for that side for what they call it say kribi. For kribi side, countryman, countrywoman, some matter too, it happen for day. Wait till be the matter what happen for kribi side. Now question where people they hear we they go to ask them now. Now say so heavy rainway fall for night for Wednesday to Thursday. He make what happen, he move Zing Chakara school. That school where they call it for big grammar say bilingual high school for kribi. Move Zing them, Chakara class them. That means say the thing job before to kind of ramshackle way. Hey, I don't talk lewa. He make a certain school picking them for that English section from or lower 6. Yeah, for lower 6 picking them. We know the lower 6, Form 5, picking them, we no be there for go school for Wednesday and Thursdays, and 3 people them, 3 picking them, they get wound for that matter, we happen for that side, for kribi. So they say sorry. And then discover say that side in a carabot. Now what happen we now only carabot, it there for that school. Now question who the Assam. Parent teacher association, what they do, what they don't do, for say me the savage situation, because that the way you look at the way I look the image, anything will happen, if you just blow and then so it don't blow and come out. Now so we look the image. Countryman, countrywoman, we go now for that side for Equatorial Guinea. When I know say latest news, we now say they drive plenty people for Equatorial Guinea. For Mongomo and other side for Equatorial Guinea, they drive them and then they don't turn back for Co. They turn back for Co. How many women in the day? We are seeing about 28 women in the day. 28 women. Where they did for that people, the way they send them back for Equatorial Guinea. Equatorial Guinea matter. Now wait TV happen. Now wait TV the origin for the matter. It's kind of because they no get Paulo, and then even I say they no get Paulo. How be the integration? We talk about integration for the CEMAC region. How people, if people in African people, they travel go to African country. They drive them for African country because they no get book. Because they no get book. Now the two I want to understand the matter because this kind of matter. So when they explain for you, fine. You remember say you don't understand. But that way the guy explain for you, go reach your play, they go explain for you again. That way they know say they never explain for you. Correct one, countryman, countrywoman. Countrywoman. Now enter now for Palabandamba. Mo talk that way happen for melon. Another explanation don't come on now. Say for that side for melon, that referee the way they want Korai, now for Sika, which reason? They say for the 10 minutes of play, now M10 Elite 1, Column, he get penalty. Then, that way they want kick the penalty, assistant referee, he go move some tower for guardian, where be there for corner E. As he move that tower, he keep on one side, they kick a penalty, they score. They say that half time reach, people them start vex. Supporter them for that club for melon. They start vex, Renard, they start vex. Then the vex already, they say if that assistant referee not be moved that tower, their goalkeeper for catch up. That means say na superstition. So for their head now, na say, una don't move that tower because una be noticing sometimes something they for palava that tower, and then una make the score we go. Now police they enter for intervention. Pam 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 pam. If police they no be there, it matter for go any kind of way. If you go some way, it bad. But thank God, say police they be there, gendarme they be there, they do their best. So they make a team for Column, Ecomoy for that side for Melon, and then they turn back inside bus. Now so they sing, they enjoy themselves for inside bus. And also surely, if your homologation committee take place, it will sure say they figure in that point. And then more remain for that side for Mongo. So talk for what they happen for Loom. Palava Ndiba, a Trump plus Casso. I say Ndiba Palava for Loom. Loom people they don't vex. The vex for Sikaweti countryman. The vex say they don't shit on for too long. Ndiba no day. Wait happen when Ndiba no day for that side for Loom. Na company where they give Ndiba. They fit tell you that matter. But the whole thing, I say, countryman, countrywoman, the vex, hope say, as they be vex so take a reach now, Ndiba go run turn back for Loom. Because people they give Ndiba no the bill, but they also can give you a facture, they give you a bill. Ndiba no will be for 1 month, it can for 3 days, they can give you facture or the bill for the same amount. Let's say you use Ndiba for all the month. Now the matter where all man they ask them, we don't know what will happen. You know if you use Ndiba for 2 months, for 1 month, you pay 1 kolo. I'm joking an example. And then you use Ndiba for 3 days, you pay 1 kolo. Let me say some matter day for that matter. Countryman, countrywoman, For that side for Kutaba. Now the other day for Wednesday. For Palaba land. I will tell you another one where it happened for that side. For Kuta Musu. So for that side for Kutaba again. What happen? Now so another person. Palaba land. Is in Naibi Oga Kwata Equara people for Palaba land. People vex. They burn house, burn motor, them burn thing every day around here. People talk say you know if you can be show with them Maramanguru ngwete because say you think say you get muru pass all man. Say the land it be na for you. Now we the talk say how una fit use una send so to una go reach your play way una the Kwara man for sika land fighting. Land fighting. Even grandma deny for come up from my mom. Land fighting. You the Kwara man for sika land fighting. Escape correct so. You know find so no countryman, countrywoman. If una get land issue, una go judge am, make the judge am. Man we get right, he take am. You no get right, he leave am. Because all the thing now so you quarrel man for sika land, they can't quarrel you for sika land. You say oh na two na don't go, but the land still there. So wait till be the usefulness, for na lewa that enter there. For go begin battle for thing we una no say, all una two una go leave am. No need for the battle for two una go kill una self. Countryman, countrywoman, I'll tell you now, I'll give you a program for that one. They call us say MTN Elite 1. I come back with football for giving a program for MTN Elite 1 and MTN Elite 2. When I know say matches they go play over this weekend. And then referee they don't talk say they know why hear that thing say they tell they say me they strike. No. So I hear some to say most of that people they talk say me they strike. Now retire referee them. Say me they leave small picking them, me they give work their work, and then they work their work. I don't even hear say so I did they for create some new association for referee them. Hey, with the watch now so the thing they go countryman, countrywoman.